Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Binance account in Zambia. First, download the Binance app from the Play Store or App Store and open it. Sign up using your email, then enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your inbox. After that, set a strong password and continue. You can also enter the referral code R4JCJQ to get a welcome bonus and trading fee discount. Then proceed and choose Verify later. If you want to skip KYC for now, but completing verification will unlock rewards. To claim rewards, go to the Rewards Hub inside the app. You can earn USDT by completing simple tasks like verification, first deposit, and first trade within 14 days. Finally, you can complete KYC using your ID card, passport, or driver's license to fully activate your account and enjoy all features. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.